Hello and welcome to Tripeefy.com.
Crowne Plaza Dubai Marina has 5 dining outlets, outdoor swimming pool, a fitness center and bar. Offering views of the marina, all rooms are fitted with air conditioning, a TV with satellite channels, a fridge, a kettle, a shower, a hairdryer and a desk. Boasting family rooms, this property also provides guests with a sun terrace. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk, room service and currency exchange for guests. Guests at Crowne Plaza Dubai Marina can enjoy a buffet or an American breakfast. Marina Beach is 700 meters from the accommodation, while the walk at JBR is less than 1 kilometer from the property.
Tripeefy, trips made easy. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place.
And Tripeefy rate is the average of these rates.
Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.